What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, if you guys want to see how I blow out my hair, keep watching. Alright guys, so I've pretty much been hiding under this hat for the past 2 days. My hair has been in some dookie braids, as you can see right here. So I am going to go ahead and get in the shower and wash and cleanse my hair, and then I'm going to blow it out for you guys. So in the shower, I am going to go in with the My L shampoo, and then I'm going to go in to detangle my hair with the 4-way conditioner by The Main Choice. And last but not least, I am going to go in again with the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk. On my channel, when I buy the product, I use the product how I want to use this. Now, this is a styling pudding, but I'm going to use this as a leave-in conditioner. Let's see how it works. Alright, what's up, guys? I am back from my shower. I went in with I have none of the products, but you saw them earlier. They're all in the shower. The only product that I'm going to be using on my blowout is just a heat protector. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I normally don't do blowouts unless I'm doing trims or something special for you guys. So I am going to go in with the heat protector, but that's the only thing I'll be using on this blowout. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm working with. Okay. I am just going to go ahead and pin one side up and out of the way while we start on the other side. I'm going to take a huge chunk in the back. Not too big. A good amount, you know? And pin the rest up out of the way. The back section that I'll be working on first. So I'll take this. This is how it sprays. And this is just by Eben, New York. Again, this is just heat protector. It's flat iron spray with coconut oil, but we're going to use it for this blowout. And I'm going to make sure this is nice and coated. So I got the little rinky dinky blow dryer. My mom always told me, you use it till it doesn't work anymore. This bad boy still works. It is the Golden Hot blow dryer that has the comb attachment to it. So I am going to be using these 2 pieces to just blow out my hair. So guys, my blow dryer is ready. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and just blow dry the section. I'm going to keep combing through it. It's already fully detangled because I detangled in the shower. I do start out on medium and then I turn it on high for about like 10 seconds just to shock it and make it, you know, nice and dry. But for majority of the time, I will be doing this on medium heat. my hand hurts. Oh my god, my thumb. I think I have carpal tunnel. Ow. Alright guys, so here is this side right here. I will go ahead and take down the other side. I am going to blow dry it off camera, but I do want you guys to see a comparison of what it looks like straight compared to not so straight. These are both sides of my hair, and we're going to do this in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, that is it. This is the final and last look. My hair is fully 100% dry. I did a blowout for you guys. I'm actually prepping my hair for something really cool for the next couple of videos to come. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with these ends. Whoa, baby. Well, thank you again so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aaliyah. Be sure to tune into the next video so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing and why I even blew out my hair. To all my new subscribers, hello, hello, hello. And to all my current subscribers, what's up, what's up, what's up? Alright guys, thanks again for tuning in to As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.